The cliff. Diving. It has a jellyfish too.
Oh yeah.
The black jellyfish.
They say this is a diving cliff, but if you hit one of those rocks, you would die.
You would die.
Yeah.
It's a diving. But not here.
Yeah, not here. Ooh.
It has jellyfish too. One, two, feel. Maybe ito kakain. Huh? This is like the diving cliff.
Hmm?
Do you want to try it
No.
here?
I'm not gonna dive.
You're not gonna dive?
3 of the 4 of the all the letters in die are there. Just remove the What's up? So it's still second day. Had a nice nap, feeling a little better. We ate a nice lunch. Mary went and picked up. She got some tteokbokki, like some Korean rice noodles, I guess. They're very thick, but delicious. She got some soup from a carinderia. We'll have a breakdown on prices. We'll do a video just on that, just so you know how much things cost. Overall, pretty affordable, I think. She's going right now to go negotiate motorcycle rental. She doesn't really know how to drive a motorbike very well, so we're gonna learn together. We'll go around a little bit from here in Santa Fe to Bantayan City on the west side of the island. It's about 20 minutes ride. From south Santa Fe to north Madrejos, I think that's the name, is about an hour. So we'll just maybe take some short rides tonight. It's about 3 in the afternoon, and then we'll have it for at least 24 hours. It's Friday right now, so we'll have it until like Saturday night, and then maybe Saturday night we'll get some drinks and hang out here at MJ Square, and then Sunday we'll be heading back because she's starting her new job on Monday. So hopefully we have a busy day. She's got to go negotiate with the drivers. There's lots of people here trying to rent bikes and stuff, but if I'm standing there with her, the price is going to be more. So in order to save money, we're sending her out. Part of her job is like negotiating. She does like buying for a big company here, and so she's good at it. So hopefully she gets a good deal. We're aiming for about 300 pesos per bike, which is roughly like a little over $5. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully you'll be getting a video of us soon driving around the bikes. We'll see you guys. Bye. Picked up my bike. We're waiting on her bike right now, and then we'll get to riding. It's gonna be fun. Her bike showed up. Nice little yellow one. I think it's the same size.
You think so?
Do you feel a little more comfortable on that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you turn it on? You have to put the kickstand up, I think.
Yeah, I did.
And your blinker is on. Okay. Now hold the brakes. Hold the brakes. And now you hit the little...
Oh.
Okay.
No.
Can you grab the brake?
Uh-huh.
Hold your brakes until you're ready to go. That way you don't slide around if you're on a hill or something.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. I think I'm just learning right now.
Yeah. It's good. Lots of people here right now. How was your first bike ride?
It was intense.
I had to wait. The American doubled back. He's like, let me tell you a story about my girlfriend. I was like, oh.
Yeah, the guy was like, I should wait for you to drive.
Yun, picture ka. Picture ka mo agad, dalawa. Maganda ako mag-picture eh. Doon na talaga.
Dito na sa ako. Sure. Salamat lang. She wants to take a picture for both of us.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like it that we're driving. I like it that we're here.
Do you want to walk down?
Yeah. I think we still have a lot of time.
Oh yeah. Glad we rented a bike.
Yeah. Me too.
They put so much stuff on these key rings. It's got like a can opener, a little coin purse, and the key, and 2 Jesuses.
Just have this.
Yeah, you got the good one. I think you borrowed someone's actual bike with just a carabiner, whereas I got the one they got for tourists.
But they didn't know that I'm with a tourist. Wow.
It's beautiful. Water is very blue. Oh yeah. A lot of, I guess, volcanic rock. I don't know what all this is. It's beautiful.
Oh.
So lots of little fish in there, like bolanao
Like Bolinao.
and jellyfish. Lots of bolanao.
That's a Bolinao.
We made it. Paradise Beach.
We made it.
We had a little trouble. Why don't you tell them about your experience?
I got in trouble in the motorbike.
Yeah. What happened?
I almost got an accident.
Because you stopped on a hill.
Yeah, I stopped on a hill. I didn't know what to do. At least Kuya helped me.
Yeah.
I was like, don't stop the bike.
A construction guy had to run off the site and like help her up the hill. I turned around and she was gone. But this is a nice place. It's like cows.
Oh, entrance here is 25 pesos for each of us. You can smell the pieces here.
Yeah, there's just a cow grazing. A couple of cows.
2 of them.
Actually, a couple over there, goats. There's lots of baby goats on the trail getting here. Very rocky road. Like no soil, no grass.
Yeah.
Just like hard. Looks like it used to be seabed. Like I don't know if you can see this. Looks like old coral or something. But it's beautiful. Paradise Beach.
Yeah. You could like chill out here.
Cottages.
Yeah. We even have a cottage. But I think this is already free.
Yeah.
But there's someone who's having a tent here. There was like a guideline.
Oh.
No one can have a tent, but well, we're Filipinos.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Can we go over to this point over here?
Yeah.
There's no people? There were quite a few bikes, but I only see a handful of people. A big group was leaving just as we came in.
Maybe they're...
Looks like some storm clouds are coming, so we might head back to the city after this.
After this.
But this is good practice. We'll go drive around town a little bit. We'll get up early in the morning and try to make our way around the island. I've got a list like Alice Beach, Bantayan City,
And also churches.
a couple of churches like St. Peter of the Apostle, but just this beautiful view. It's so blue.
You want to do the cliff dive?
Do I want to do the cliff dive? No. I want to sit somewhere with aircon and drink Red Horse. Which, by the way, they sell Red Horse here.
But it's not allowed to be drunk.
But there was a sign that says no drinking, but I feel like rules aren't that strict here. Now time to enjoy the beach. I'll leave you with a nice view. So peaceful. This is a tiny watermelon plant. Look at this. Tiniest little watermelon, little baby. They're even like ripe. They're soft. See what it's like from the...
Here at this Paradise Beach, there's watermelon here.
Interesting, growing on this like volcanic rock. I was like, those are definitely watermelons. Someone must have ate a watermelon here and like pooped the seeds out or something.
And over there, here.
Oh, we found the entrance to the beach. Ah. Oh, it goes right to the water. Like a personal beach.
You can really get into there because we're wearing shoes.
Worries, yeah.
There's some like having a bath already there.
Oh.
Maybe this is the one that I saw on TikTok or Facebook.
Maybe. Oh, there's even a little cave down there.
Yeah.
You might could get on if you time it around the waves and run under.
You want my shoes to go? That's all I could do.
Time it. Wait till it goes out. Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Now.
Let's go over there.
So that was like a tiny little personal beach. It was like the size of a studio apartment. And the people there were like, hey, there's a better beach over there. And they were like trying to do a photo shoot, so we got out of there.
Oh,
Ah. Okay. Yeah, there's a better beach.
it's like trekking. Oh.
Oh, that was the other road we saw on the map. Would have come on this side. Wow. And then some catamarans. Free slippers. Okay, we'll get down this without dying, hopefully. There we go. could have brought swim clothes. Maybe tomorrow. To bring some and slippers.